People, Wagwan. Yeah, man. Welcome back to another day on the farm, people. Boy, people. How long now? For 2 months now, Yeah, man. Long time, And I guess it's not too late for say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Yeah, man. Boy. A whole heap of things are going, people, but you don't know. Yeah, man. We're there back on it today again, Yeah, man. It doesn't look too bad, If it not come so long, you see plant and a shoot out and thing and about the place one chop out. Yeah man, so you can walk through and show now what go on, don't it? Alright, watch it. Yeah guys, see it Yeah, man, now I'm planting this other plant near drop and I rest on the tree. But it's still on the ground. So that's not bad. Yeah, somebody chop out but the time dry so it don't look bad over that side. Yeah man. Over there so see one plant and one of them that. Yeah. Be bush, It not go hard to chop them because it's dry, Yeah man, it's dry. Alright, see the next plant there. Yeah man. And I don't worry about the banana. And remember me showing one banana over that side there. I don't worry about it, but when I pass, still standing, Yeah man, so glad for that. People. Yeah, man. Just one chop out, Yeah man. Go down there. Right. Yeah man, see here. People. Yeah man, like something I start eat it too. Yeah man, so I go chop down that. But we'll go up on top first and see what I go on up there. Remember the last time I'm planting it up there. Boy. Planting it up there, so I go out there go check and see what I go on feed. Yeah man. Yeah people, so everybody are going. Everybody good, Yeah man. Bear with me people. I'm around for dropping, so I have to take my time, Yeah man, so make the walk go for top here. No. See what I go on, I never come up aside. I'm not too know what I go on up here, so Yeah. Place white out. Next banana, Alright people. Yeah, plant me when the ripe and drop off, darn. I'm not seeing a planting on it. My virgin need come pick it. I don't know. Dry up in people. Boy. To show you how long when I come up here. Yeah man, if you look up this you can see dry off. That's to show you how long I haven't been up here people. That's how you go, Rat off feast there. Yeah, I'm down your cane boy. I go over here so I look on this a plant, you know. Yeah, man. Well, we're gonna chop down that one, you know, people. Look like something I eat it, you know. Yeah, man, so alright. Yeah, people. Chop it down, you know, man. Yeah, people. See them? You can't see. Right, the one near them boy. Yeah, I'm glad at least me get one, you know. And that one drop the dry up, but that's how it go. You know, and neglect the farmer, that's how it go. You see? Yeah, man, people. So I'll go over this and chop down the banana, you know, too. Yeah, man, and then say I can go and do some chopping. Don't it? Yeah, man, so that's go and watch and see what I go on. Zane? Yeah, people, see it, huh? Yeah, man, and chop a 1K, you know. Time dry, you know, so it's supposed to well sweet. Yeah, man, so I go around and sit and go chop down the banana, does it? Forward. Yeah, people, so take the camera down, but we never on. Yeah, man, see it, huh? Nice. Yeah, man, so definitely I'll go around with me. Like, it's well full, you know. Yeah man, this might have to just put down and ripe. You know? Yeah man. Yeah guys, see it huh? Come on, so I'm gonna hand it up and make it go and drain, you know? Yeah man, so when we're ready, can just bag it up and make a move. See? Yeah guys, yeah man, see that. Yeah man, so I'm gonna go and drain off till I'm ready. Yeah man, good look, eh? Yeah people, so yeah, man, next time see me, you know. Yeah man, I'll do some chopping, is in. Alright. guys, so they are gonna pick some of them good them, you know. Remember last time I showed you them? Man, them dry you know, Yeah, man, so pick them and see if we can cook some rice with them, don't it? Yeah, man. I'm gonna make them waste. Alright guys, see there? Yeah man, that me get. We'll eat that. You know? Yeah man, give thanks to your people. Yeah guys, you know, the video not gonna be really a long video, you know. Yeah man, cause you know, I have to go touch back in our city, you know. Yeah man. I'm not living in the country, you know. Yeah man, I only come here on the weekends. Yeah man, and come and do my thing, you know. Yeah man. So basically some people know me as a farmer. You on this platform might know me as a farmer, you know. Other people know me as a security guard, you know. Other people know me as a musician, you know. So those are all the things that come in while sometimes you know see me for a long while, you know. Yeah, man. Over the Christmas period up into the New Year, yeah man, we have a whole heap of show for go perform and thing, you know, so it keep me away from coming to the country. You understand? Yeah man, but we still come when we can, you know. Have some things to deal with back in the city today, so we normally have to go back. Yeah people, so sorry about that, you know, I get a phone call a while ago. Yeah man, so basically what I say, you know, yeah man, some people know me as a musician, you know. If you can find a video, you know, you can find a video, me pull it up and show, you know, you're gonna see. Yeah man. Basically, I work Monday to Friday as a security guard, you know. Yeah, man. Most of my videos them they are done on Sundays, you know. So they are Sunday. You know, I normally come up after I leave work. I'm normally working at the night. When I leave work in the morning, normally just come up. Leave work Friday morning. No, sorry. Leave work Saturday morning, you know. Yeah man, and just take on the journey, you know. Normally reach up like 1, 2 o'clock some of the time, you know. But I don't really do nothing on those days because I'm basically tired, you know. I work all night, you know, and I get to sleep or so. So Sunday morning now I normally come out and do my thing, you know. And then Monday morning I normally go back home in the city and go back to work in the Monday night, you know. So I say this to say, you know, bear with me some of the time when you don't see me, you know, I just that, you know. I mean, hopefully someday, you know, we can take it on full time, you know, because I man love it, Yeah, man, I love the farming, I'm not gonna lie to you. I love to watch things, to plant it and watch it grow, you know, it's just a joy. Yeah, man, you know, and basically that is it, you know. Yeah, man, so as I said before, I have some things I have to go deal with now in the city, so I go pack up and make a move, you know. So today's video was mainly for just come check on the farm, because I'm not check on it in a long while, you know. But everything is everything look good same way, you know. The little chopping a while ago, we can't do much because me have to move, and yeah, so I go pack up here now, and I go head round, you know, go hold a shower and get myself together and hit the road, you know. Yeah, man, so I go pack up and thing good. Boy, people. Every time I come here, I have to drop about 10 times. No. Alright. Pack up my gungo them, you know. Yeah, man, see me so. Yeah, man, I'm going to tie them up. No, my bag. I don't know. Some gungo rice and peas, you know. Yes, sir. Right. I forgot my cane. People nearly forget my cane. Want to let it sweet, you know, man. Yes, gosh, man. You have to peel it up and, you know. Yeah, man, see it, yeah. Cut it up and put it in the bag. Yeah. This is the road, eh? Oh, yeah, man, I'm going to build one cutter to put on my head, you know. So I can put the bag on my head, you know. Yeah, man. Use banana leaf, you know. set off on the head, you know. That is it. Yeah, people, so we don't know when I might just done it so, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know. We'll try for next week, see if we can come in back next week again. So definitely we're not gonna have nothing for the next week. Hopefully, you know. Yeah, man, so we can take on the work seriously. Yeah, man. So I just want to clean out so, you know. You know, I want to come from plant back my crap, you know. Yeah, man, I'm sorry, them man, yeah, man. Can't wait, but basically dry time, you know, so now I'm gonna plant nothing, you know. The time now is mainly for us to do the clean up, you know. Because now the rain now fall. So the things them now spring up back fast, you see? Yeah, man, so as always, people, you know, thanks for watching, you know. Yeah, man, so catch you guys next time. Zine?